Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to share location on Instagram message. As you can see right now, I'm in my Instagram conversation, and by default Instagram doesn't provide you this feature to send your location to someone. So to send our location, we have to use Google Maps app on your phone. So all you have to need, open Google Maps app on your phone and now search your location that you want to share. And then I'm going to searching a location here. And now here scroll to this Lipton menu and tap on share and tap on more. Here scroll and select Instagram chats. Now just tap on send next to the user whom you want to send your location. Tap on done and I'm going to the conversation, and as you can see I've successfully sent my location to this Instagram user, and now the user will be able to easily see my location by tapping on the map link. So this is the only way to share location with someone on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.